Hi, good evening. This is Bala. I'm going talking about the Fpso key project. Uh, Talking about the transport and route calculations. Determine the shelter tank requirements and the transport route. To reassess that the Fpso's storage capacity and the production rates, and the shelter tank is a priority for the oil field. Input data requires oil uploading duration FPSO shelter tanks, uploading rate of 37,500 barrels per hour. Shelter tank will be using of a float over the methods allowed large amount of hookup and the pre-commissioning work to the complete offshore prior to the load out, which is significantly reduces both of their duration and the cost of the offshore commissioning phases. Estimated distance about the 120 kilometers northwest of the Labuan Island, the FPSO will unload the stored cargo of oil shelter tanks every 10 days. Also explains subsea pipeline infrastructure of gas export, subsea pipelines and subsea systems. Engineering, design and construction management of subsea production systems has been one of the, in the case of core business areas in this commerce of the company. Specialized technologies such as high pressure and high temperature accuracy fluid and subsea production are firmly established within, in the case of the extensive project experience. This incorporative practical design and installation technology required for the cost-effective, complete and operation of the offshore field and development facilities worldwide. In case initiative have assisted the offshore industries to move to the subsea system configuration that is more modular and allow greater and flexibility, which is reduce the risk. We have been able to validate the concept of via many subsea deep water project applications. In the case, the capability cover develop of the field layout and the operation, philosophies, accesses operation and the contact the flow assurance, analyze the development technical definition for the procurement and verification of the complement manage in factory acceptance and the systems integrity test and supervise offshore installation startup and commissioning management deep water contractors. I'm going to talking about FPSO layout. FPSO layout areas administrative FPSO accommodation located at the stern area and the turret located at the bow of FPSO. Reason take into consideration area those of safety and crew and reducing the exposure and the hazards encountering the offshore installation storage and this processing of hydrocarbon. Location of the facilities located above FPSO and then mooring systems. Talking about the topside protection. Topside protection expected return to the production outflow 120,000 barrel per day water injection and also the external turret FPSO have 17 riser. There also riser the excellent and determine those risers against 9 operation risers, 4 risers in areas to riser the more of 3 umbilical and 1 of spare risers. I'm going talking about the offloading done through utilization the tendon mooring system. The FPSO largest or FPSO made in Malaysia and also hold the recording the largest external turret and if any FPSO well Norway tendon uploading performed with the precision rowers mooring from trading tankers and with its dedicated DB shelter tanks. Reason minor oil spills and from this shelter tanker will be interface with its endurance of FPSO operations since the tanker is always always downstream of the intimated current and wind, not just for privily. Simplify naval operations approach decisions, decommissions, appointment, and locations. Their architecture as a flexible host also allow large operations involve not only the dynamic but also static, which is corresponding to the position of enveloping the vessels. And offloading arrangements, shelter tanks, tender mooring turret, and terrain floating can be performed within the houses and house systems. Thank you very much for watching my TV. Thank you.